Mount the two beams on the instrument. This is the probe instrument accessory. Screw the nut onto the extension rod. Attach the handle to the auger. Put the wire into the extension rod. Connect the two ends of the wire together. First, drill the soil with a soil drill. Place the penetrometer on the hole of the drill. The handle is mounted on the instrument. A pole with wires is inserted into the ground. Turn the handle and place the multi-slot drill rod wrench in the proper position. Install the extension poles as required. Insert the wire into the slot. Power on. Start the experiment, and the data is displayed on the screen.